I've been doing these opposite direction caps with on the inspin, one poi coming under the leg, right? So if I'm here like this, going like that, and going like that, is that cool? I don't know. Not necessarily. You may not even see it going on. Whereas if I do it like this, where I lift the leg, it creates more drama as I'm doing it. The other thing about it that's interesting to note, in my opinion, is I think some of the under the leg stuff actually looks better back view than front view. So the one that I just did, all you see is that you don't see the poi anymore. If I did the same thing like that, I think you see more of it going under
Yeah.
the leg. And I think it has more drama when that's actually happening. So I think there's an advantageous element to it at that point. And especially on fire, because not only is it shooting out behind you, it's like a fireball shooting out your butt. There is the element of, is it worth it for you to expend your energy trying to learn this thing that's subtle if you're not really feeling it? And the thing is, the answer to the question is, you have to invest enough time to determine if you can feel it at some point or if it's always just going to feel really weird and awkward to you. What I was positing was, as a dancer, you may find your flow in the movement of it once you've done enough of them that it does feel at least not awkward. Maybe not super good, but if you get to a place where it's not feeling awkward, you might feel differently about executing it than you would when you're like, I don't know, is this even worth it? Because I feel so awkward doing it. You know, I think you have to invest enough in it. You have to give it a fair trial. I'm going to say 1 week isn't enough. Give it at least 3 weeks.